Hi, Professor. I am so excited to show you our new section in the Little Seagull Handbook, Editing the Errors That Matter. We solicited the input of 75 writing instructors to identify 14 errors that undermine a writer's authority and weaken arguments. These chapters explain why each of these errors matter, describes how to spot these errors in a draft, and then walks students through several ways of editing these errors out of their own work. As you can see by flipping through, these chapters are very conversational in tone and have a bit of humor thrown in. I myself really love this LITSEA grandma example that shows the life and death importance of commas. This conversational tone means you can really have fun bringing these chapters into your classroom, and you can also have the confidence that your students will engage with these chapters as they read outside of class. If you like this new section, let me show you Inquisitive for Writers. Inquisitive is a collection of adaptive activities to help students practice the sentence editing skills taught in these chapters. As you can see, we have a list of error-specific assignments here, but this one, the comprehensive activity, can serve as an all-in-one diagnostic. Let's work through a few questions here just as a student would. Students answer a set number of questions to diagnose their strengths and weaknesses. Then they see a report of the topics with which they need more practice. They get a grade and can stop there, or they can continue on to practice and increase their grade, up to 100%. Notice that helpful feedback and links to the Little Seagull Handbook are built in. That's because Inquisitive is meant to help students learn and practice, not test what they already know. If you like to teach grammar and usage in class, Inquisitive will help enforce what you're already covering with students. You can actively monitor individual students' progress to suggest any specific errors that student should proofread for, or if you see an entire section is struggling with a specific error, let's say comma splices, you can assign that specific activity in Inquisitive or offer a review in class. If you don't teach grammar and usage in class, you can direct students to this comprehensive activity and have them self-practice through the course of the semester. Inquisitive helps students learn grammar and usage concepts as they practice in the system, so you don't have to spend any class time doing so. You can be as involved or uninvolved as you like with Inquisitive. The system adapts so students will get practice on the topics they need the most help with instead of every error under the sun.